to me.
I wanted you to talk to me and tell me where you want to go.
Okay.
Where do you want to go?
To go to Grandma's house.
Yeah. And what will we do there?
I don't know.
Were we talking about the bird feeders?
Yeah.
What would we do with the bird feeders?
I don't know. I don't know. Let's fill them up.
Fill them up. And what else could we do?
I don't know. I don't know.
Okay, that's fine.
It's really be bird feeder.
Fill up the bird feeders.
Then go on the side.
Mm-hmm.
Hang it back up
Hang them back up.
for a bird.
Mm-hmm.
Then we have bird feeders.
Yeah, and all the birds can have lunch, just like you're having lunch. What are you having for lunch?
Cheese sandwich and apple chips.
Mm-hmm. That's delicious.